In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to Klaviyo email template. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place an animated image into your email using Klaviyo's editor, so your message feels more dynamic without complicating your workflow. Start by opening the email template you want to edit in your Klaviyo account. You'll see the editor with your layout in the center and a content panel on the left. Make sure you're in the section where you want the GIF to appear. If you're replacing a placeholder image, that's fine too. We'll simply swap it with your animated file. From the left sidebar, find the image content block. Click and drag it onto the canvas, dropping it exactly where you want the GIF to live, above a headline, between text sections, or in a featured spot near the top. Placing it thoughtfully helps draw attention to key announcements, product reveals, or seasonal moments. With the image block selected, look for the option labeled Select Image. Click that to open Klaviyo's media library. This is where all your uploaded assets live and where you'll manage anything new you bring in. Inside the media library, choose Upload Image. This opens your computer's file picker. Navigate to the GIF you want to use. A quick tip as you choose: ensure it's actually a .gif file and not a video. Also, smaller file sizes help emails load faster. Aim to keep the GIF lean so your subscribers have a smooth experience. After selecting your GIF, confirm your choice in the library so Klaviyo knows which file to place in the block. You should see a small preview appear. If the first frame looks good, you're in great shape. That first frame is what some email clients show if they don't fully animate GIFs, so picking a clear opening frame can be helpful. Next, click Upload. Klaviyo will process the file and drop it into your image block. You'll see it appear on the canvas, and in many cases, you'll see the animation right in the preview. If it looks a bit large or small, that's typically just a display scale in the editor. The file you uploaded remains the same. Keep an eye on how it balances with your surrounding text and buttons. And that's it. You opened your template, dragged in an image block, selected an image, uploaded your GIF, and it's ready to go. A simple addition like this can elevate engagement and make your emails feel more alive. When you're happy with how it looks, you're all set to continue designing the rest of your message or move on to sending.